What's up, guys? This is a quick training on how to make calls through CallRail when we are doing cold calls to people all over the United States and buying and selling houses. So first of all, this is CallRail. Get yourself familiarized with everything. Obviously, you can go through call history. You can sort it, do all kinds of cool stuff. But for this video, we're going to focus on how to dial numbers. So first of all, what you're going to want to do before you even do anything else, just go ahead and when you see where it says record call question mark, you just go ahead and switch on. Just go ahead and switch on. We're going to record the calls that we make, and we always notify them before the phone dials, so that they'll be notified when they pick up the phone. And then the next part is you're going to want to make sure that the caller ID is accurate. So you can see here we have a whole list of numbers that you can use, and this phone number that's selected will show up when you call the seller. So in my case, it says Adam, or I'll kind of switch it just so you can see what it looks like. So when I'm doing mine, I want to do Adam GRE office line. And we're gonna give each one of you, each closer is gonna get their own number. It's gonna be local, and we're gonna use the same one for all the different markets. So for my case, it's gonna be Adam GRE office line. And then after that, it's really simple. Your phone number is in here. That's mine. Everyone's gonna have their own profile, so it'll be simple. And then right here, what you're going to do is just type in the customer number. So let's say it's 815-236-9056. Let's call a random person. So basically what's going to happen is you're going to place a call, and what will happen is when you place that call, you're going to get a phone call from the number you're using as a proxy number, so from your office line number, and you just want to answer that call, and then it'll say please press 1 to connect to the call. So you just press 1, and then that'll start dialing the seller, the person you're looking to talk to. That's pretty much it. I'll just show you kind of what it looks like.